Hello, thanks for stopping by. When I first started looking into the idea of using a regular breadboard with tubes, I looked on eBay to see what was available in the line of tube sockets. Of course, for the octo tubes, you could always take and get the 8-pin octo relay socket, but they were $5 a piece, and they're kind of big and bulky. The wires come off in two different directions. Looking into the 9-pin sockets or whatever, they did have modules, but the one style took and plugged directly into the PC board, which I wasn't too thrilled with. That wasn't what I was looking for, and they were close to $14. And then they had another style that was more what I was looking for, but you were still talking close to $14, and I figured there has to be something better than that. So let's see what it would cost to take and make them on our own. First, we need a piece of PCB material. Let's use 7 centimeter by 9 centimeter, and you can get 10 of those for just about $3. That's 30 cents a piece. For the connectors, I like to use the KF128 connectors. They're rated at 300 volt up to 10 amps. They're a rising clamp type connector, which means as soon as you loosen the screw, the wire comes loose. The wires go in real easy. They're nice and heavy duty, and they're notched on the side so you can take and slide them together and make any length of them that you need. Now the 2-terminal ones are about 10 cents each. The 3-terminal ones are about 17 cents each. Looking at 9-pin sockets, 9-pin gold-plated sockets are only 99 cents each. Going to the octo sockets are 2 for $5, so that's $2.50 each. Now let's take and put them together and see what it looks like. With very little prying, you can take and get the pins on the socket to take and line up with holes in the board. Enlarge them a little bit with a drill bit so they'll take and they'll drop through. Down at the bottom of the board, take and assemble enough of the KF128s to make up the number of contacts that you have, and then just flip the board over, and starting it with the number 1, take and solder in line across the bottom to each of the pins. Same thing with the 9-pin socket. You take that, take and drop in, get your 9 block of KF128s together, and solder them the same way. Now, if you already have some tube sockets that you want to use, and they're not PCB style, you can take and use those too. In this picture here, you'll see where I took a 7-pin socket. I took and flattened out the terminals so they were flush with the board, and mounted it on little standoffs. Then I just took and ran the wires from the KF128s up through the board, through the loop in the tube socket, and soldered them there. That works just as well. The only other thing I did with all of these is I took and put 4 1/4-inch nylon standoffs on each of the corner just to keep it up off the table. Hope you enjoyed this. Any suggestions for future videos or any questions, please leave it in the comments. Thank you.